Look, Bubbles, go look. You like Bubbles? No. You don't like Bubbles?
Then I'm going to put too much bubbles on it.
Oh, there's only one. Maddie, one bubble. No, how many then? Bubbles, look. Maddie lost interest in Bubbles really fast. I don't like Bubbles. Oops, there's Kristen's underwear on the floor.
Padawan, are you ready for this? Now I've gotten to you.
What are you doing? Doing some stretches? You can do some yoga? Uh-oh, don't let her get it. She's gonna spill it. Not for you.
None for
Not for you. That's a good one. Where did you get these bubbles from?
Maddie's birthday.
Mm-hmm.
But why did Maddie's friend and mom give me?
To thank you for coming.
Yes, that's so sweet of her.
Mm-hmm.
I was waiting for bubbles everywhere.
Mom never bought you bubbles? I don't know where to get this. You're really good at making bubbles.
Let's get the most biggest bubbles ever.
Okay. Oh, somebody is knocking my arm over.
Because
Dad.
and June stick in the bubble.
I remember that.
And I have to go.
What if, should we get Madeline inside a bubble and have her float away? Is that a good idea, Maddie?
Or if I go fly, I'm gonna save me.
Okay, that's sweet of you.
I'm gonna knock the bubble out.